Okay, children, now I'm going to start about the third standard social science revision. So in this annual revision, first we are going to say choose the correct answer. So you have got in term 3, unit 2 and unit 3, only the 2 lessons. From these 2 lessons only I am going to give the choose the correct answer and what all you are having. So in book page number unit 2, page number 146. You got page number 134, choose the correct answer. The metal inside the wires are made up of dash, copper. So they are given the options A, B and C. So shall I write the options now? So the first one is the metal inside the wire. The metal inside the wires are made up of copper. Okay, yeah, made up of copper. So this is the answer. I am writing only the answer. I am not writing the options. Okay. Dash is used for making jewels. Gold is used for making jewels. Okay. Used for making jewels. Then third one. Which mineral is used as a fertilizer? Which mineral is used as a fertilizer? So which mineral is used as a fertilizer? That is, they are asking the question like this and they are given the 3 options. Zinc oxide, potash, iron ore. So the answer is potash. Okay. And the fourth one, zinc is found in dash. Zinc is found in dash. So zinc milk, biscuit and fish. So the correct answer is fish. And fifth one is, which mineral is used for making aircraft industry? Which mineral is used for making aircraft industry? So which mineral is used? So this also they are asking like a question. We have to write the answer. Okay. So which mineral is used? They are given the options zinc, bauxite and potash. So the answer is bauxite. So by seeing the options, you can write the answer, children. And now the fill in the blanks. In this fill in the blanks, you are not in your exercise, but I have taken from the recap, that is page number 133. So I will write this fill in the blanks. Okay, so fill in the blanks. So in this fill in the blanks, yeah, I have already written in your classwork, but now also I will give this. Copper is used in all electrical appliances. Okay, all electrical appliances. This also I given in the online classes, children. Already we have written in the classwork. You can write once again. Iron ore. Iron ore is used to produce iron. Okay, iron ore is used to produce iron. Dash is one of the most precious metal. That is they are given. Bauxite is used for making aluminium. Bauxite is used for making aluminium. Okay. Then zinc is called the essential trace element. So dash is called the essential trace element. Zinc is called essential trace element. Okay, yeah, trace element. Then dash is used for making, potash is used for making fertilizer. Potash is used for making fertilizer. Okay, so these are the fill up the blanks and the choose the correct answer. So everything you learned, children, already you have finished this. Then match the following, only one lesson match the following is there, and true or false is like that only. So match the following. So this I will write the straight answer. Match the following. So in this match the following, they are given first one bauxite, So I am giving the straight answer, children. Then iron ore, then zinc oxide, then fourth one metal wires. Fourth one is metal wires. Then fifth one is potash. Okay, so bauxite, the straight answer is aluminium. I am giving the straight answer. Bauxite, aluminium. Then iron ore, railway tracks. For railway tracks, they are using the iron railway tracks. You might have seen also, children. Then zinc oxide, rubber products. Zinc oxide is rubber products. Then metal wires, copper. Metal wires are the copper use பண்ணுவாங்க. Then potash, that is soap. Okay. So all these are the straight answer I have given. So choose, fill up and match. And now we'll move on to the answer the following. These are lesson from the lesson Unit 2 and Unit 3. Okay. From the lesson Unit 2 and 3, now we are going to write the short answers on the detailed answer. Fourth Roman letter, answer the following. Answer the following. So, question answers are in your book only. Okay. Name some minerals found on earth. So, these answers I have already given. First one, name some minerals. Name some minerals found on earth. What are the minerals? Answer is copper, gold, iron ore, bauxite, zinc and potash, or write some of the minerals. Then name some minerals that are conductors of electricity. Name some minerals that are conductors of electricity. What are the minerals that are conductors of electricity? That is, answer is gold and copper. Gold and copper, or some of the minerals. That are conductors of electricity. Okay. Then write a few uses of copper. Write here few uses of copper. What are the uses of copper? Enna panna mudiyum copper la uses enna? Copper is used. Answer is copper is used in all electrical appliances. In all electrical appliances, and then including computers, televisions, mobile phones, and other electronic device. Then fourth one, why zinc is called the essential element? Why zinc? Zinc is called essential element. Okay, zinc answer is zinc is called essential element. Zinc is called essential element because very small amount of zinc is necessary for human health. Okay, necessary for human health. Then fifth one, write a note on child line. So write a note on child line. You can make a number call of this, and child line number is a helpline number. Child line number is a helpline number. Helpline number for children under the age of 18. Under the age of 18. Okay. And it helps the children. It helps children who are in need. Who are in need. Need of help and case. Udavi as well as the case also. When was child line established? When was child line established? So in the child line எப்போ establish பண்ணாங்க? Okay. And then which ministry does it fall? Which ministry does it fall? It was first established. It was first established. Childline service was first established. First established as a project. In the year 1996. It falls under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Women and Child Development. Okay. So these are the questions. And the next one is, what is safe touch and unsafe touch? So seventh one, what is safe touch? Answer is hugs from family. Hugs from family or high fives with your friends, or all safe touch. What is unsafe touch? What is unsafe touch? Answer is, it is unsafe when someone touches your chest between your legs are lips. Your legs are lips. Asks you to touch. So these are the 8 questions. From this I'll ask any 5. Okay. And then detail. Only one detail. Answer in detail. Answer in detail. Give a note. Give a short note on I and wood. Okay, I'll give a short note on I and wood. So this is the question answer, short question answer and the detailed question answer. So far I gave the 8. So you are going to choose, fill up, match and true or false. True or false is it? Yes, true or false I didn't write. So write the true or false. So I didn't write the true or false. So I'll write the true or false also now. Okay. Write true or false. So this also I guess this is in your book from the page number 146. Child labor is not an offence. That is false. Okay. If someone is asking to touch the private parts of their body, it is unsafe touch. True. If anybody touches the private part, that is they should not touch. Unsafe, that is true. If someone gives unsafe touch, if someone gives unsafe touch, what should we do? We must inform to our parents. Unsafe touch, we must tell our parents. True. We must tell our parents or teacher. That is true. Okay. Then fourth one. Indian Penal Code. Indian Penal Code 1820 punishes people involved in child trafficking. So this is also false. 1820 the penal code better. Okay. Then child helpline. The child line helps children. The child line helps children who work as laborers. Who work as laborers. This is true. Okay. So these are the two or the false answer. False. So this is false. Okay, so this is it. So go through this fully and learn everything what all you are written in this. So this is for your annual revision. Thank you.